Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account on Disney+. So first go to disneyplus.com and enter your email right here. Then click on Sign Up Now. You will have to create an account, so now choose a password, and if you like to receive special offers, then check this box. Click Agree and Continue. This is your subscriber agreement, so read it and click on Agree and Continue. Now you will have to choose your plan, so choose Premium or Standard based on what do you want. If you want 4K, you have to Premium. If you want Standard, then you will have to get used to 1080p. So select the plan you want and now decide if you want to pay annually or monthly. Keep in mind that with annual payments, you will save over 16%. And finally, choose if you want to pay with credit card or PayPal. Just give a name on the card right here, card number right here, and then click on Pay and Subscribe. Then click on Start Streaming. Then Disney will ask you to set up your profile, so just simply type here your name and press Save. Of course, if you want to access the full catalog of shows, you will have to set your code content to 18+. If you don't do it, then it will be rating 14+. So it will be limited access to other movies and shows. So select full catalog. And now if you need a pin to access this profile, just create a profile pin. If you don't need it, just click Not Now. And now you can start watching Disney+. It is really simple to create accounts. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.